sure you like the cheap stuff, Harbor Freight. Let's do a little review. I found these items.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.
Napoleon, like anyone can even know that.
Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Today we're going to be covering these HaulMaster Rubber Tool Clamps. Now I think these are pretty new at the Harbor Freight, Hobo Freight, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I go there. There's one close to me. You gotta think about the things that you buy there. If you're buying something to make a living, maybe not the place to go. But if you need a tool to use occasionally, they have some pretty good stuff there. And these things are listed at $2.99 right now. And let me show you what I was using before this. We got the Gambler 500 Ford Exploder here. Putting a little charge on the battery, fixed a few things on it. But me being a notoriously cheap guy, there you go. I got the hose clamps holding my shovel on there. Now, well, nothing wrong with that. The shovel ain't gonna go nowhere. You're not gonna be taking that shovel off all the time, but you know, when you have to take it off, you gotta bust out yourself a little socket or a screwdriver. You know, it's gonna take you all of a minute and a half, 2 minutes to take that off and put it back on. Now, I thought something like this was gonna cost, you know, like 10 bucks each. $3 each? Hey, that's right up my cheapness ballpark right there. So what I'm going to do is we're going to mount these on here. We'll put that ugly little shovel on there and see how she goes. I see I already have a hole right here, and these have, there's two holes going through there, and there's one hole going through there, kind of a smaller hole than what we have here, but I think I'll be able to make it work. If not, I'll drill a hole there. I'll drill a hole there. That should work. I'll measure it out, get them holes drilled, find some bolts, and get this mounted, and we'll see how she works. It's not even that tall of a vehicle, but I still had to get out the old third grade chair. Get up here. But there you have it. They seem pretty stout. I mean, $3. I'm not going to complain about that. $6 for a pair, of course, $3 each. What you can do with one, I don't know, but they're nice. No tools required now to take the shovel off. And, well, I don't know. We gotta get this thing partially advertised. We'll be going out doing the Gambler here in a couple of days, and then this thing is gonna go up for sale. And then we'll pick up another something maybe. This is not a keeper. But anyway, Harbor Freight, HaulMaster, little load clamps, whatever they call them, gets one thumb up, and then there's the other one, 2 thumbs up. There you go, there's the name of it, Rubber Tool Clamp. Don't know how well you can get in on that. There you go, 70648. They should have them at your local HF. Now, I wish I was sponsored by Harbor Freight. I would happily use anything they send me, but I'm not. So, you know, I spent that $3 each out of my own pocket. So I'd appreciate it if you like this video, left a comment, subscribe, share, all that other good stuff. You know, throw a couple pennies my way so I can buy more of these $3 clamps. Awesome. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.